Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now. And this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly click the subscribe button. My wish to cross 1k 2k subscriber. Please kindly complete my 2k subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the crypto market. It's loading. As you can see here, the change is in positive. It's a good news for all VCN holders. So subscribe my channel for this good news. It's good news for all holders. VCN holders, they are jumping. So it's good news for all holders of VCN cryptocurrencies. Please, and this wish, kindly subscribe my channel. As you can see here, the change is in positive 0.43%. And the high price of VCN cryptocurrencies in the previous 2 hours is $0.0924991 is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies in the last previous 2 hours. As you can see here, the graph of the Vechain cryptocurrency. So after a great jump, after a great dumping, they are start jumping upward. As you can see here, like a rocket. So Vechain goes to moon. So and this good news. Please kindly subscribe my channel. Now let's see the live price prediction of previous 1 hour. What's going in the previous 1 hour? As you can see here, the previous 1 hour is also a good exchange your luck, exchange your time. As you can see here, weekend holders are going millionaire, as you can see soon, inshallah. As you can see here, the change is a positive $1.17, as you can see here. So the weekend cryptocurrencies holders, it's your time, enjoy it and subscribe my channel. And it's the best time to buy a weekend and make a good money, make a good profit by weekend and a crypto market. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies market.